Hi everybody, welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today I am going to make Kerala fish curry. You can use any kind of fish. Today I am going to use sardine or matti. The ingredients are sardine 10 numbers, small onions 30 numbers, grated coconut 1 small cup, chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, Cambogia or kokum or kudampuli. If you add this, the curry will be very tasty. If this is not available, you can use tamarind. Garlic cloves 40 numbers, green chilli 4 numbers, some curry leaves, chopped ginger 1 big piece, 2 tomatoes, some salt, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and water. Soak this kudampuli or kokum in warm water for 10 minutes. I am going to crush half of the small onion, half of garlic, 2 green chilies, half portion of ginger. I have crushed it and I have chopped 1 tomato. Now we have to grind the remaining 1 tomato, garlic, green chilies, small onions, ginger, pepper powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and coriander powder. We have to grind it to a fine paste. I have ground it. In an earthen pot, pour coconut oil, and salt the crushed onion, garlic, ginger, etc. Add some curry leaves also. Salt this for 2 minutes. Now add the chopped tomato and masala paste. Mix well. Now add kudampuli or kokum soaked water. Cook it for 15 minutes. Keep the flame in sim mode. Grind the coconut into a fine paste. Coconut paste is ready. 15 minutes over now. Add the coconut paste. Allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. It is boiling now. It's time for us to add the fish. After adding the fish, don't stir it. Cook for another 5 minutes. Instead of stirring, swirl it 1 or 2 times. It's done now. Add some curry leaves and coconut oil. Now put off the stove. Now place a lid and leave it for 15 minutes. Kerala fish curry is ready. You can serve this with plain rice or boiled and mashed tapioca. Try this and give us a feedback.